What's up, guys? Boy, Psynos came in here. Oh my God, you look so good. Fresh new cut. Yo, Marabi Barber. Oh my God.
I'm so hot.
Yeah. Yeah, but we're black still. Miss Psynos up in the building. Say hello. Guess what we're gonna do today, Miss Psynos? She asking me if her boobs okay. Their boobs are great. Yeah. Guess what we're gonna do today on this beautiful Saturday, peeps? Miss Psynos is going for our very first JUTC
Bus ride
here in Kingston, Jamaica. You know what I mean? Because she's not really from Kingston, but she from Kingston now. You know? So we're going on a little adventure today. We're going on a little adventure today, and we're go off a tree. After we go off a tree, we'll go Spanish Town. Yeah. I'm going on a little adventure.
Off when you go half a tree.
In the JUTC bus center.
So we have to walk from there, go back to Pavilion.
Yeah, we can come off from before still if you want, but the one closer to the... Yeah, you're going to see, don't worry yourself. Yeah, so I'm going to put the route where I go. You know what I mean? Make sure you know about the place. Run around the place, but yeah.
And then is it going to take long for us to leave from half a tree to Spanish Town?
I don't know, it all depends on the traffic. Anyway, peeps, let's go on this epic adventure. Are you ready, Miss Psynos?
Imagine my socks white and my shoes dirty.
Bruh.
Alright, yo, she complain about shoes and everything. We're ready. So we just go on journey with your boy, yeah? A shoe! Country come at all! Serve, Miss Iris. Miss Iris. Hello, serve. Salad. Shopkeeper here? Oh! So where you at today? What? So you say you pay like bill? Cause you say me own to sell power, you know. Mine I, you know. Mine I, why my bill so high? You know what I mean? And a tree like me bridge. Oh! So me I wonder how my bill so high. You know what I mean? So right now me I beg a 2 power cause me need to lead it back on the main wire. Leaky! No make me go off like boom! Yeah! Me sign off by 2 power.
You have change?
You know what I mean? Every day.
I want 2 power.
You know what I mean? 2 power! Connect. Wagwan peeps, so we're there now. We at JUTC. The sign us a look around.
Oh!
Sorry. So
we're waiting on the bus.
Yeah.
I'm afraid because I will leave a people.
Yeah, she's afraid because a little line, you know, see that? But tell us, you know, worry ourselves. So at 23, we'll take. We go straight.
21.
Or 21. No, not 21. 21. Oh, yeah, 21 or 23. Yeah. So Miss Psynos will learn about the route better than, you know, but I never normally take bus from right so go Spanish Town. So I normally go out at the front of where me there and I take a thing go. One taxi, route taxi go straight to Portmore and then Portmore go Spanish Town. You know what I mean? But we have to take the bus that time, you know? So yeah. So we just there, I go and wait and think. I only just go and journey with the boy, you see it? You have nothing for say, Miss Psynos?
No.
You afraid? Child look on herself. Anyway, peeps, you go and journey with the boy. Alright, peeps, so we're just in here now. So, let me tell you how me love the girls them now. Me love slim girl, me love fat girl, me love blue, green, eye girl, me love black eye girls with the thick lips. Yeah, vlog world reach in Spanish Town, Miss Psynos. How was it?
How was it? Right. And then a lady was ministering on the bus.
Yeah, that was dope. You know, man, so we're there at Spanish Town, you know, you say, have some fun and things. So I go sort out some business we're supposed to do. I go pick up something. So, yeah, man, we're there, Miss Psynos, myself. We just do what we have to do and we're in a Spanish Town. Something there. Spanish Town shopping center with there. And thing. So, We'll start out. We have to start out. Yeah, Miss Psynos. Miss Psynos, how did the day go so far?
It's good.
Alright, that goes good so far. As usual, music a play, so guess what? I don't get copyright case, so I'm soon later. Yourself that it wasn't so bad. You know what I mean? And think, I guess she does hear something. You know what I mean? The perception and a different vibe of how the place they might stay over here and so. But it's not so bad, you know? We get a little quick drive out and go pick up some things and coming back. You know, so that bus are coming to fight. Yeah, the ear chocolate. Only can't take care of bus. JUTC only can't take care of bus then. Woo! Miss Psynos, how was it? The little trip so far?
It was okay.
It was okay? Just okay, sir?
Yeah, it was good, you know.
What you like and what you
I'm
never like?
tired.
She tired.
I wake up early, guys.
So what you like and what you not like?
Bluebird couple. No, it's a
Same,
Symphony.
yeah, same. So, hey, my nose, you know, my friend, coronavirus. Stop
No,
playing
it's
me.
the
Yeah?
sanitizer. I'm a sanitizer.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
guys, it was fun.
yeah.
The first JUTC man doing drive live, that's good.
Vlog world! We're there home right now. And she a drink juice right now. She alone drink after big something there by herself. She in crave. Oh! I say, oh my god. Tank belly, a joke. But anyway, vlog world. Fight! Oh! I reach now. And thing reach home now. I will actually rest a little because we're going to shoot another vlog right now. Yeah. But anyway, Miss Psynos. How was the bus ride?
It was like any other bus ride. It didn't just feel normal. As I said, the first JUTC man him drive horrible. If I go anywhere again, yeah, I'm in a rush, I would take it, but I'm not left out nuts for it.
You can't compare
Them seat tough, brother.
Yeah, probably it was. The reason why, you know my Jamaicans are traveling on the bus that day time?
I feel afraid, especially when them full. But it was something him always want me to do. I finally do it.
Yeah. And then she decided to do it. So.
But I would do it only with if him accompany me. I wouldn't take it alone.
So anyway, peeps. So yeah, there you have it. Little bus ride to Spanish Town and back. Now man, it was cool. A cool little vibe outside of the house without baby Psynos. So yeah. So I'm gonna eat some food.
And she was asleep. She never knows how Eva had gone.
Yeah. So, but anyway.
She was here with mommy Psynos.
Yeah, and the rest of the family, we never leave her by herself. Giant. Bruh. But anyway, peeps, I'll go rest, eat some food, because we have a next video for shoot food now. I'm very, very hungry, so yeah, man. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you guys. And just go on journey with your boy. And just remember that nothing can stop us.
Sorry.
Because God will rock.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.